In this video, we are going to look at the user experience and escalation to human agents when Certainly is integrated with Gorgias. On the left side of the screen, we see a web visitor interacting with the live chat option on a site. Notice how Certainly can inherit user metadata to deliver personalized experiences, for instance by addressing the chat visitor with their personal name. Certainly acts as a first line of support, accepting both quick replies and freely input text, and processing the claim in either a single step or over multiple steps. While requests such as tracking an order can be fully exhausted by the Certainly chatbot, other ones might be more sensitive and thus require some degree of human supervision. In this scenario, an order arrived broken, so the chatbot is collecting additional information from the visitor, such as their order number, and then syncing with the order management system to initiate a refund process. Since this particular claim requires human intervention, the Certainly chatbot will attempt to hand over the conversation to agents operating on Gorgias. Certainly will perform a background check to assess whether the live chat option is enabled on Gorgias, and whether the conversation is taking place within the opening hours of the business. Mind that these checks are entirely configurable on the Certainly platform. If Gorgias live chat is not available, Certainly will create an email ticket that the agents can pick up upon their earliest availability. Notice how Certainly is passing dynamic tags into the newly created ticket, together with metadata about the customer, and a full transcript of the conversation between the customer and the Certainly chatbot. The tags can be used to order tickets into custom views on the Gorgias platform, and to decide on the prioritization between tickets. If Gorgias live chat is available, Certainly will create a chat ticket. Just like what happens with email tickets, chat tickets also come with dynamic tags, customer metadata, and a transcript of the chat between Certainly and the customer. Once an agent picks up the chat ticket, the conversation will continue within the Certainly widget, while the chatbot takes a step back. The integration between Certainly and Gorgias enables your business to grant a seamless support experience, operating 24/7.